Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you Monday night. It's so quiet out here. There's no Carolina Foothills Dave. There's no plumber running around acting goofy. But we did have a good weekend. And we have a mail call. But this is a really special mail call. This is from Pat and Betsy, and Pat has a YouTube channel, and it's Raker SS74, and he sent Ray a box of goodies, but we're going to do this mail call a little bit different. So we will be right back. Okay, guys, we are back, and this is what Pat and Betsy sent Ray, and he just cannot absolutely stand himself right now. He is so excited. So I am going to turn around and show you. We put it on the end scale, and we're going to start from the caboose to the engine. This is what Pat and Betsy sent Ray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and a CSX engine. Holy crapola. He is like so beside himself. So I'm going to calm him down, calm myself down, because I was shaking putting all those cars on there. He was so excited. And then we're going to see if this thing will run on his end scale. We'll be right back. Give us like 10 seconds. Okay, guys, we're back. He's ready to get this thing going, so go ahead, Ray. Pat and Betsy, this is for you. Let's see how it does on our track. I'm hoping everything stays connected, that it can handle our dog bone. Don't go crazy like highballing it or anything, Ray, please. Mom's nerves wouldn't be able to take it. It did good on the dog bone. We took the other train off. The next test will be at the bridge. So Mom's gonna go a little bit ahead of it. Here it comes. We've had some trains with an issue of this bridge. Let's see if they all stay connected. So far, so good. Awesome. Now it's going down. Hopefully it will do fine on that dog bone, because I'm way back here. Oh my God. How happy are you? Here it comes. It's doing fine. No, I'm not saying it yet. Mom's gonna scoot down. And this is where we started. Smooth running. And that's a good speed, Ray, because that's a lot of freight. What do you say to Pat and Betsy?
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Are you happy?
Yep.
And he's going again. Makes you nervous, doesn't it? We did good. It's doing great. Going through the bridge great. Everything's nice and smooth. There you go, Pat. There you go, Betsy. Thank you so much. He's going to park it right in front of the city. Awesome. Awesome, awesome mail call. So we really, really appreciate it. He is a very happy camper.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everyone have a good night.